Show me your spot, your focus eyes. Do you see the gingerbread girl on the cover of the book? Wow! Once upon a time, an old woman, the grandmother, made a gingerbread girl right here. Do you see that? She gave her eyes, she gave her a mouth, and put her into the oven. You see that? She is making the cookie about the gingerbread girl. When the gingerbread girl was ready, the woman pulled the pan out of the oven, but much to her surprise, she is moving! 小朋友，你有发现这个 gingerbread girl 在动吗？ 1, 2, 3, go! Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes, ears, mouth and nose. Very good. So let's sing with the music and dance with it. Okay? So everybody we sing? Music, please.
Everybody, relax and just follow me.
Just follow me.